Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Vulkan-1.dll not find or missing error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, and it says the program can't start because the DLL file is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix that problem, guys. First thing I recommend to try restart your computer. Sometimes simply restarting you can fix the issue, guys. Go and restart your PC. After restarting, if you still having a problem, go to search menu browser and type here visual visual c++ redis dis tributable, enter, and latest suppose that visual c++ redistributable download, click on it, scroll down, guys, check whether your computer bit guides. I am using 64-bit, so I am downloading this. I recommend to download this 64, guys. After downloading this, open and run it. I agree license term and condition, click on it and install it, click yes. Now this is installing, guys. After installing, this problem get resolved. Definitely, I am damn sure about it. Close out of here, go and restart before trying anything. And that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thank you.